Understanding The Trial Collapsed, a guide to legal English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often pops up in news reports and legal dramas. The trial collapsed. Stick with us to uncover what this phrase means and how it's used in the English-speaking world. This knowledge will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also give you a deeper understanding of legal proceedings. When we hear that the trial collapsed, it implies a sudden and often unexpected end to a legal trial. This phrase is not about physical collapse, but rather a metaphorical one, where the trial cannot continue due to certain reasons. Let's dissect this phrase to understand its components better. Trial refers to a formal examination of evidence by a judge, and often a jury, in a court of law to decide guilt in a case of criminal or civil proceedings. Collapsed, in this context, means that the process has failed to continue or complete its intended course. Understanding this phrase requires recognizing it as a metaphor that signals the premature termination of legal proceedings. There are several reasons why a trial might collapse. Highlighting these reasons can help us grasp the various circumstances under which legal processes might not reach a conclusion. 1. Insufficient evidence. Sometimes, the prosecution may fail to provide enough evidence to support their case, leading to the trial's collapse. 2. Procedural errors. Mistakes in the legal process, such as improper handling of evidence or violations of the defendant's rights, can cause a trial to end abruptly. 3. Witness issues. Key witnesses retracting their statements, refusing to testify, or being deemed unreliable can undermine the case, resulting in the collapse of the trial. 4. Legal challenges. Sometimes, legal arguments presented by the defense might prompt a judge to dismiss the case, causing the trial to collapse. Understanding these reasons is crucial for grasping the complexity and fragility of legal proceedings. A collapsed trial has significant implications for all parties involved. For the defendant, it often means a release from the charges due to the prosecution's inability to prove their case. For the victims or those seeking justice, it can lead to frustration and a sense of injustice, as the trial does not reach a verdict. On a broader scale, it reflects on the legal system's integrity, showcasing the importance of due process and the high standards required for a conviction. Understanding the phrase, "the trial collapsed," gives us insight into the complex world of legal proceedings and the importance of a fair trial. Whether you're following a news story, studying law, or just expanding your English vocabulary, recognizing the depth of such phrases enriches your understanding of both language and legal systems. Thank you for joining us in today's lesson. We hope you found it enlightening and useful for your English language learning journey. Remember, every phrase and word you learn opens up a new aspect of the English-speaking world. Keep exploring, and we'll see you in our next video.